Hello guys, this is Aryan and in this video I will be sharing 10 lines essay about soil. Number 1. Soil is the upper layer of Earth's surface. Number 2. Soil is the foundation for all plant life on Earth. Number 3. Soil provides essential nutrients for plant growth. Number 4. Soil degradation threatens food security. Number 5. Healthy soil supports diverse ecosystems. Number 6. Different colors of soil can indicate its composition and properties. Number 7. Soil stores water. Number 8. Soil keeps carbon in it. Number 9. Keeping soil healthy is important. Number 10. Understanding soil is essential for sustainable land management. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.